Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And guys, this body is a brush fitting design, and how to this body is easily and clearly. All dimension is learn here, and one by one is drawing. All point is discussed here. Okay, this is our top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view. All view is you can see here easily, and all thread details is clear, you can see here, and all dimension in millimeter. And this is a brush fitting design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Today discuss here a very important lecture. Okay guys, all point clearly discuss here. Okay, this is a final product is a design here, and this body is designed easily and clearly, and all is a fitting is very nice looking here. Okay, this is a brush fitting is looking very nice, and this is a very useful and helpful any. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay guys, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select this part, and part is this, and some setting is very important, plain white, and this is this setting is document properties and going to image quality, and this image quality is very high because all dimension is clearly mention here. Okay, at first drawing this body, this is a hexagon is a drawing here, and this thickness is a 6 mm is thickness, and this is a diameter is, this diameter is 18 mm. Okay, use a front view, front plane, and going to this is a polygon, and polygon is drawing here, and this is a use a 6 parameters because use a hexagon, and this polygon is a number of side is 6. Okay, anywhere is draw here, and and one line is a mention here a vertical. Okay, all is perfect. And this geometry is this dimension is mentioned here is 18 mm, perfect. Okay, and use a extrude boss, and this thickness is 6 mm. Okay, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect. And this front side is select sketch normal, and drawing a circle is this, and this circle is this circle diameter is 14 mm. Okay, this circle is diameter is 11 mm. Okay, and this small circle is 14, and this big circle is 17, and this diameter, this circle diameter is 11, and 16.5 is this is a 16.5, and 50 degree angle is, this is a cutting here, and this is a cut is 5 diameter. Okay, and at first drawing a 11 diameter is 11. Okay, and use a extrude boss, and this is this length is 10 mm because this use clearly, you can see here this length is 10 mm, and again this length is also 10 mm. Okay, and next is a back side is also select here, and use a circle is drawing here, and this circle is length is this diameter is 14. Okay, 14 millimeter is perfect. And use this extrude boss, and this extrude boss is thickness is 3 millimeter, only 3 millimeter is perfect. Okay. Okay, again select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a circle, and this circle is a okay, and this circle is a this 17 millimeter is dia. Okay, 17 millimeter is perfect. And use a extrude boss also, and this thickness is, this length is a 10 millimeter is perfect. Okay. Okay, this body is a drawing here, and some use a chamfer. Chamfer is, this is a 1 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and this is a 0.5 millimeter and 45 degree angle. And this use a chamfer. Chamfer is a 1 millimeter and 45 degree angle is, select this, and also this chamfer is use here, and 0.5 millimeter and use a 45 degree angle is this. Okay, this, and this face sketch here, sketch normal, and this is a cutout, and then small circle is a drawing here, and then this diameter, circle diameter is only 5 millimeter, and extrude cut is apply here, extrude cut. Okay, and through all select. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and okay, all is perfect. Next is a okay, this is a perfect. Next is a, this is a cutting here. This length is 6.5 millimeter and angle is 6 degree, and this gap between this length is 5.2 millimeter. This length is 8 millimeter and this length is 11 millimeter, and 2.5 is this. Okay, and this is a cutout. Use a top plane, sketch normal, and draw a center line, and center line is a this to this. Okay, and select a line is a select here, and this line is drawing here, and this line is also drawing here, this line, and also this to this, and connect to this. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is a drag here. Okay, this line is also drag here. Okay, okay, and some dimension is mentioned here, and this is a 11 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 6.5 millimeter. Okay, and this angle between two, this is a 60 degree angle, and this length is a 8 millimeter. Okay, and this length is a 2.5 millimeter, and this gap, this length is a 5.2 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is okay, and this is a perfect. This length is 11 millimeter, and this gap, this center point to this distance is 5.2 millimeter, and length is 8 millimeter, and 6.5 millimeter and 2.5 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is perfect. And use a extrude cut. Okay, revolve cut is apply here, and this axis is also select here, and use this and select. Okay, this is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a this cutting very nice looking here. this cutting is a perfect cutting. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect and next is a okay. Okay, so nice. This is a perfect and next point is also discuss here. This okay, this is a perfect okay, this is a 16.5 millimeter and 52-degree angle. Okay, this is a cutting here. Select this face, sketch, normal, and okay, this is a perfect okay, this is a perfect and this dimension is a 16.5. okay, and apply a extrude cut. Okay, extrude cut is a, this is a perfect and this is a side is a flipped side to cut and this angle is 52-degree angle. Okay, okay, and side flip side to cut and 52-degree angle. Click OK. This is a looking very nice, and use a mirror and select a reference geometry and this face and this face. Click here and OK, and use a mirror. Mirror is this and cut is a extrude cut. Okay, and click OK. This is a perfect, and this plane is height because this body is looking perfect. Okay, okay, all is perfect. And next is a thread is used here, and this thread is a length is 10 millimeter and pitch is 0.7, but 1 millimeter is perfect. This is a missing point. Length is 10 millimeter, pitch is 1 millimeter, and offset is 2 millimeter, and size is M7. Okay, apply a thread. Thread is a, this is a metric die, and use a M7. Okay, M7 multiply 1, pitch is 1 and M size is 7, metric die, and click OK. This is a OK, but Phillips offset is a 2 millimeter is flip side. Okay, and this length is a 10 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a better. Okay, and next is a also length is 13 millimeter, pitch is 1 and offset is 3 and size is 8. Okay, thread is apply here and select okay, this is a perfect, and select this and okay, offset is 3 millimeter, and this is a 13, and click OK. This is a perfect metric die, and M8 multiply 1, pitch is 1 and size is 8, and click OK. All is perfect and correct, and this color is apply here, and this color is a okay, this is a metal and brush, and use a polish brush, and this is a perfect. Okay, okay guys, this body is looking perfect and correct, and guys, I hope you will learn. This process is learn easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And this is a spanner design, and this is a very useful and helpful this part. And this 3D body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this spanner design is a help of a 2D drafting, and 2D drafting is also available here. And this is a top view, and this front view, and this is a right view. Okay, all view is drawing here. Okay, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view. All view is easily you can see here. And this is a final product is a spanner design, and all dimension in millimeter, and all is thickness and all is length is available here. Okay, this material is used here nickel, and this is a scale is 1:1, and size is A3. Okay, and this product is a design easily and clearly, and this final product is a spanner, and this fillet is a 0.5 millimeter. And this body is looking perfect, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, and isometric view is also okay. Okay guys, let's start here this body's design. Okay, at first select a part, and some setting is important you can see here. And document property and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, at first this is a 2D drafting is at first drawing this length is this center to center length is 104 millimeter. Okay, and this is a both side is a ellipse is drawing here, and this ellipse is a major axis is 32 millimeter, and this minor axis is 26 millimeter. Both side is same, and this angle is 180. This angle is 18 degree. Okay, and this length is 6 millimeter, and this thickness is 3.5 millimeter. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and drawing a construction line. A center line is draw a origin. Okay, and align at this dimension is 104 millimeter is correct. Okay, and use a ellipse, and both side is a drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this also ellipse is drawing here, and this is a this. Okay, and align this distance to this is a 32 millimeter. Okay, and this minor axis is a okay, this is a 26 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect. And again this major axis is a 32, and minor axis is a 26 millimeter is correct. Okay, and select a line is not increase. Again draw a center line and connect to this. Okay, this is a increase some line, because this is a very help of this line is create here, and both is a this is a horizontal. Okay, and again connect, again click a center line and connect to this point to this, and again this center point to this. This is a very important, and this is a very useful and helpful this okay, this is a connect to this to this. Okay, all construction line drawing here, this is a this construction line is very useful and helpful. Okay, and this is a 18 degree. Okay, align this angle distance is a 18. Okay, this is a fully defined, and this align angle is a 18. Okay, this is a fully defined. Okay, this is a perfect, and okay, and select a okay, this is a perfect, and this line is a 9 mm, and this 9 mm, and this line is a 7.5 mm, and this radius is a 10 mm, and this radius is 11.5 mm. Okay, and this use a offset is a, this is a 9 mm, and both bidirectional is perfect, and click this. Okay, this two line is created here. Okay, and this thickness is, this length is 9 mm, and click this 3-point arc and connect to this point to this, and this arc is this. Okay, and this radius is 11.5. Okay, this is a 11.5 is correct. Okay, and use this trim entities, and this delete here, and also this delete here, and this and to this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and next is a same offset, and then use a 7.5 mm and bidirectional, and click this. Okay, click OK. Use this 3-point arc and connect to this point to this. This is a arc is created here, and align a dimension. This dimension is a 10 mm, because this help of a 2D drafting. Okay, this radius is 10 mm, and this radius is 11.5 mm, and this is a, this distance is a 7.5 mm, and both side, and this 9 mm both side. Okay, and again use a trim, and all extra portion is delete here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and again select a offset is a, this is a, okay, and this is a offset is this 6.8 mm is both side, and this cutout is 3.5 mm. Okay, and use a select chain and bidirectional is click, and this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and some extra portion is also trim here, because this trim and this trim, and okay, this also trim here, because this is extra, is created here. Okay, and this portion is delete here, and also this and this and this. Okay, okay, all is perfect. And align a dimension, and this dimension is a 6.8. 6.8 is perfect. And also this is a 6.8 is perfect. And all is a fully defined, because all is black color means this is a fully defined. Okay, all is perfect. And use a extrude boss, and this and this select here, and use a mid plane, and this thickness is a this thickness is a 6 mm, and this thickness is 3.5 mm. This thickness is 6 mm. Okay, and again click this and extrude boss this, and use a mid plane, and this thickness is 3.5 mm is correct. Okay, and some use a fillet. Okay, all is perfect. And this fillet is 36 mm, and this fillet is 31 mm. Okay, use a fillet command, and 36 mm fillet is upper side, this to this. Okay, and below side is a lower side is a 31 mm, and this to this. Okay, this is a perfect. And some fillet is also, this is a 0.5 mm, and use a this to this, and also this to this. Okay, this to this. Click OK. All is perfect. Okay, and some and use this face sketch, and use a convert entities. Okay, and some use this cutout, and this fillet is a 2 mm, and this cutout is this thickness is 1 mm. Okay, 1 mm is not so here, but 1 mm is thickness. Okay, and use offset. Offset is select chain, and bidirectional is click this. Okay, this is a 3.5. okay, this is a perfect. Use a 3.5 is a cutout. This is a 3.5 is cutout. Okay, this is a perfect. And click OK. Identical counters in the same sketch are not allowed. Okay, this is a correct. And use a extrude cut. Extrude cut, this select a counters. Counter is this, and this thickness is 1 mm is correct, and click OK. And also this fillet is used here, and this fillet is a select a this all corner is select here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a 2 mm is perfect. click OK. Okay, and again select this front plane, because this is a mirror, and mirror is this. Use this cutout and press a control button and this, click OK. Both side is mirror is perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect, and apply a material. Material is nickel. Nickel is this, and isometric. Okay, isometric is perfect, and this body is drawing here. Okay. Okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all process is learner easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.